Friday Workshop!
What is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshop's Make Things, Billy Things. What are we doing in the workshop?
And what are we doing this week?
This week we're making a mail holder.
A mail holder. We have these old ones, and we're replacing them with wood ones.
Yeah! Can't have enough wood in there.
Yeah, so as we slowly replace everything in the house with wood, this is next on the list.
So, here we go. Okay, so this is the design. So it's 250 millimeters at the bottom, 350 on the side. Over here on the shorter side, it's 145 millimeters, and it's 95 millimeters thick. So let's go build it.
So we're just trying to figure out how we can get them in here the best amount that we can. This is 615 tall. So that would make this about 307, and this is 320. So I'm thinking if we drop it down to 307, we're a little smaller than Dom's measurement, but it's actually not that far off, and they look about the same. So in order to conserve a bunch of wood, we're gonna make the two sides meet up evenly here. What do you think of that guy?
That'll work.
So we'll just sand them all even. Hey Dom, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm about to do the shaping on the sides.
Nice.
Here we go.
I'm gonna go 100.
You changing it up, Dad?
I just like 100.
Breaking the rules.
Breaking the rules. It's such an easy number to do. Why do 95? And besides, they're not wide enough when we need them anyway. So the cool part about making things on your own is you can make them exactly to what you want. And we keep on filling these things up.
Yeah.
So no reason not to go 100.
All right, let's go cut it out.
All right, I'm thinking 3 strips should get us plenty.
So is this the sideways dry fit?
This is the sideways dry fit.
And I'm guessing the bottom piece would go right over there.
Yeah. And did we make these right, or? Of course we didn't.
What world would that be if we did?
All right, so we made them the same height as those, but they're not a square, so clearly that won't work. So we'll fix those.
So, here we go.
The top will fit on right there, and that'll be the box. What are you doing, Dom?
Oh, gonna go stand off these ugly looking sides here. They call them burrs.
All right, I don't know if you can see this guy right here, but we're putting that on this guy right here.
I think that turned out pretty good.
All right, so we're gonna glue and nail. Gotta put on your safety glasses to glue, right? We're gonna let that dry, and we'll come back to it.
Now, it's time to round the edges. Now, the other one. Now it's time for Mineral Spirits! Boom, boom, boom! Alright, let's do it!
You're getting so excited about mineral spirits. I love it.
It's because they're the most exciting part of the project, right?
It is! It's mineral spirits time!
Mineral Spirits time! I think this one's ready too. Now, on to the next step.
Hey, we're gonna do some spray lacquer now. Woo!
Friday Workshop! I think that turned out pretty good.
Oh my goodness, these turned out amazing.
Yeah.
So gonna be able to put a ton of letters in them. They're gonna turn out, yeah, it's gonna be fantastic.
Yeah. So if you like videos like these, like and subscribe.
And click on that bell notification.
Because we post every single Friday.
Sometimes even more.
Yeah.
So you want to get a hold of those videos, and we do lots of builds like these. We do tool reviews. We do, oh my goodness, so many cool things. So until next time,
See ya.
see ya.
Well, now that we have these,
What are you doing?
no need for this.
Oh no! Yeah, we can always make more.
Yeah.